Hi everyone, what's going on? Do you like to drink coffee or tea? Superheroes like to drink coffee. Hope everyone likes to drink coffee. And now, I'm going to show you the coffee maker as superheroes version. Would you like to make coffee by a coffee maker? Let us know by comment. A coffee maker, or coffee machine, is a cooking appliance used to brew coffee. While there are many different types of coffee makers using several different brewing principles, in the most common devices, coffee grounds are placed into a paper or metal filter inside a funnel, which is set over a glass or ceramic coffee pot, a cooking pot in the kettle family. So, let's enjoy Superheroes as Coffee Maker version video. Comment below which superhero version coffee maker you do like most.
If you are a new visitor in my channel, or if you like this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Let us know in the comment box what you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.